Ding! This is an Underwood. This is actually really heavy. This is, oh, so this thing needs some minor repairs, but it still works, and I'll show you. Oh my gosh. Ow. This is heavy. Honestly, I had no idea how to repair this, so I just focused on cleaning it, which involved dusting a bunch of cobwebs and cat hair that may or may not have been from Stereo NX. So yeah, I'm just making sure everything was functional. And as I was working, of course, my kitties would not leave me in peace. Next. What's wrong? What's wrong, Mama? You know, they have to be involved in every single thing that I do, which I absolutely love, but sometimes, you know, it can be very frustrating, but frustrating with love. Anyway, so the cleaning was done, and I was like, how the heck do you even operate this thing? I have no idea. So handy dandy trusty Google, shout out. Yes, I found a copy of the original instructions on how to use the typewriter, and it came in handy because I was able to pop these bad boys off. Boom. Actually, I struggled. It took me about like 30 minutes, but boom, when I finally figured it out, voila, and I was able to replace the ink ribbons easily after this. Now, am I going to use this typewriter on the daily? Absolutely not. Am I going to use it to send my friends letters every week and annoy the hell out of them till they're sick of me? Yes, I absolutely will. And so I get into character. I am Raven from 1924. Ignore the iPad in the background and the computer and the drawing tablet and everything else. But stick with me. Mine own dearest friend, I pen this missive to thee with great joy. Soon shall ye be wed, joined together in holy union as one. My heart overfloweth with gladness for thee. I await most eagerly the hour when I may journey hence to bear witness to thy nuptials. Prithee, mark mine RSVP under the name Raven Hill. This frost chill in the fair city of San Francisco. Mine own dear cat, Styria and Nix, and I doth huddle close neath the blankets, seeking warmth in each other's company. I fear we may not endure long in this bitter clime of the bay. Perchance the cold shall drive me to break mine oath of boycott and purchase a heating trinket from the devil himself, also referred to as Amazon Prime. Boo, Amazon Prime, you suck. I shall keep thee apprised of mine fate, should I endure this most brutal and gothy frost. I shall behold yon lovebirds anon, if I yet draw breath till then. I remain thy devoted friend, with icicles on my nose, yet warmth in thine heart. I sign to thee, Raven of the North Bay. And this is the story of how I procrastinated 2 weeks before my exams and finals. Thank you for watching, folks.